Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog. I wanted to show you guys what I eat before I work out. I know some of you guys ask like, hey Sam, what do you take for a pre-workout? And I always tell you guys I don't take anything. But I want to share with you guys Verb Energy. I've been taking Verb Energy bars for the past month now. I've been sharing it on my Instagram stories. Guys, this is the best. It tastes so good. My husband, he's been tearing up the vanilla latte. I don't really personally like the coffee flavor, so I don't eat these ones specifically, but my husband eats those. I ate the coconut chai and the peanut butter. I think it's the caramel peanut butter, salted caramel peanut butter, something like that. That one is good. Coconut chai is good. The blueberry one is good. And I haven't tried the cookie butter, but I know that's good. Let me help. This Kamden? Let me help. So I'm about to work out. I'm about to get my run on. I have to clear the treadmill. Started crying, so I was only get to do 2 sets of or we got to do like a few sets for 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. So I'm just gonna lift, because lifting also burns fat, so just gonna do that instead. I didn't get to walk. Well, I guess I'll walk to course thing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know we stay watching Over the Moon, the moon. I will fly beyond the stars to meet my family. So I purchased this dumbbell set. Yeah, I purchased this dumbbell set because for the longest I could not find dumbbells anywhere. Korra, I couldn't find dumbbells anywhere. I was going Target, to the military store, everywhere, Walmart, to look for dumbbells, and I guess everybody's getting it. It's in high demand because, you know, of COVID and all that. So I ended up going to the NEX, if you guys know what that is. It's like a military store, and I found a dumbbell set. Look at this. I found this. Sorry, it's kind of dark. I'm like in a room where there's no light. But I got this 40 pounds, and this was $70. So I had to get it. It has like everything I need because I've been wanting 15-pound weights, and I can make 15 pounds and then I can increase my weight up to 40 pounds. But shoot, that's good enough. Look at Kamden. He got bit by a mosquito. Kamden, look at me. Bubba, get down before you hurt yourself. Bubba, look at the camera, Bubba. He got bit by a mosquito right on his eyelid, so it got a little swollen. So he does not have good reactions when it comes to mosquito bites. So I have been icing it. I'm icing it and I'm giving him a little bit of medicine. But yeah, icing, tea tree, all that on his eyelid. Oh my gosh, he reacts really bad with mosquito bites. So he woke up because of the drainage and I guess the fluids, it swells up the eye when you lay down. I was looking up on Google, but that's why his eye, it got swollen. But hopefully the swelling goes down because he's not laying down. He's just, look at Bubba. Excuse me. This is what it looks like. It has the bar. This is pretty heavy actually, but it has the weight set. So it has 3 pounds and it comes with, I think 2-3 pounds. And then it comes with four of the 5-pound weights. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out. Alright guys, so I'm trying to work out, but Korra keeps going in my area. some banana lumpia. I have some wraps that I undid earlier today. I have some here. It's like leftover from my last time I made some. So I'm gonna make some banana lumpia, especially because my bananas are ripening up real fast. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make some banana lumpia. I noticed a lot of you guys are asking me what do I eat, but I've been eating plant-based. You guys know I've been eating like probably vegetarian, because sometimes I do consume things that contain like eggs inside, even though eggs is like the #1 thing that it's not good either. Okay, Mara. But today I'm gonna be making Korean bowls out of this plant-based meat. I'm showing you guys because I have it here. It's from Beyond Beef House. So this is what normally I eat for anything that's meat. Sometimes I do eat some that has no soy or has soy in it, but this one specifically does not contain any soy. I try to limit my time eating too much of the soy, but this one has no soy in it, so we're good. That's pretty much what I've been consuming. I have not ate any meat. I do eat yogurt. You guys know I eat some yogurt. This yogurt specifically is so good. It's called Oyi. I think I'm saying that right, Oyi. But this is so good, especially the vanilla. I've tried the other flavors, but vanilla by itself is so good. I am gonna make some green beans because my green beans, they're gonna go bad soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this with my Korean bowl. I'm gonna be throwing some carrots in because last time I just made a Korean bowl with the meat by itself and I didn't really care for it. So that's what I'm gonna be making. All right, guys, I have it set up here. So this is the wrap. I got this kind of wrap because sometimes when you go to the Oriental, like the freezer section, they have their wraps in the frozen, like in the frozen area, but you grab whatever lumpia wrappers you can get. But I get this one. Sometimes you can get the ones, they end up like crumbling, but it just depends on which one you pick. And then I have some brown sugar here. I could have used coconut sugar, but I don't really like the taste of the coconut sugar. It's kind of like, I don't know, I just don't like the taste, so I just using brown sugar. And then you could either put water. For me, I'm just gonna use the whites of an egg. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys. I just went ahead and put the white part of the egg in here. So like I said, you could just use water if you don't do eggs. And then I have brown sugar. And then I grab my banana. And then I go ahead and open it like this. It's like this. Everybody has their own way of making banana lumpia. This is just how I make it and the way my mom taught me how to do it. But she does like an extra step that I don't do, which is put brown sugar all over the banana while it's cooking in the oil. I just feel like it burns easy and it just makes a lot of mess, so I don't do that. But you go ahead and cut your banana in half like this, and then you're gonna cut it again, but long ways like this. And you just go enough where it's 2 equal parts like this, see? And then you just leave that to the side. I'm just gonna put it here because I don't have anywhere else to put the bananas. So I just go like this. And then what you do is you grab your brown sugar here, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your banana, and then you're gonna dip it in the brown sugar like this. And I like to grab a spoon and do it because your hands can get really messy. So you just go ahead and cover the banana like this. And you wanna drench it. If you don't like too much brown sugar, don't drench it like I'm doing. But you wanna go like this, just enough where the banana is covered. But banana is already sweet in itself. So the riper it is, the sweeter the banana is. So you don't want to put too much brown sugar. So you go ahead and grab the banana like this. And then you're going to just wrap it like a burrito. So what I like to do is I go down this way. And then I go wrap it one more time. And then I go grab the ends and put it down the middle, towards the middle, like this. Where it ends up becoming like this, if you guys see that. And then I just wrap it like that. You just keep wrapping it. And then when you get to the end part, that's when you grab the whites of the egg, and then you just grab and then you just put it on the ends. I've tried water, but sometimes water doesn't stick as good as the eggs, so I just go ahead and then just glue it like this, and then it's supposed to be like tied down like that. And then when you're done with this, you cook it in the oil. So that's pretty much what I do, and this is how your banana lumpia should look. And with the egg, like I said, the egg white glues the end part of the lumpia wrapper down so that it doesn't come apart. I've tried water, but water actually, it doesn't really help as much as the white of an egg. Done. You want to fill a pot like this, or any type of pot that you use to fry, And then you just put some oil. I put some olive oil. I didn't put too much. You guys can see I didn't put too much. Because I only have this much, and I already did a few. And this is from the brown sugar, so don't worry about that. Put it on medium-high heat. Such an easy way to get rid of bananas, especially if your bananas are going bad. I like to make banana lumpia or banana bread. So this is what I normally do. I just wait till it gets hot. You can feel it when it gets hot. And then you just go ahead and put the bananas. Like, you can feel when it starts to get hot. You don't want to wait till it gets too hot because then it's gonna like pop everywhere. So I just make sure I pay attention. This does cook fast, especially depending how hot your oil is. And what you want to do is just flip it when it becomes golden brown. You want to go ahead and flip it over. See, so it cooks fast. I told you guys. You want to make sure you're paying attention because it's already golden. It's already golden brown. So you want to make sure that you flip it like that. Super easy to cook, guys. You could sprinkle, like I said, some brown sugar on there, but we're not doing that for this. Then when both sides is like golden brown, then you're done. That's how fast this is. That's why I love cooking banana lumpia, because it's so easy. See, once it gets golden brown like this, you're done. But this one's done. So then I just grab paper towel and let I sit it upright like this so it doesn't get soggy and the oil drips down. But yeah, that's how I put it on a paper towel. And that's pretty much how I make banana lumpia, guys. Dip it, put it on there like that. It's so fast. And then this one's cooked. It doesn't take long. It's banana lumpia, super fast, easy. It only took me like what, a couple minutes to make. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I just let it cool. Be careful. And then that's it. That's how I make my banana lumpia. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and prep for the Korean bowl that I'm gonna make. Vegan Korean bowl. I'm gonna put, like I said, green beans and some shredded carrots. And then the plant-based protein. I already got rice cooking. So yeah.